I love hearing it ring out. Your guitar sounds so incredible. You know what? I think it's in its natural habitat. It's happy.
I think it is. It is in its natural habitat. I am too, but my hands in my pockets are also in their natural habitat.
It's all right. That's all right. You go ahead and take yourself a little bit of time, warm up there. And if this only lasts 2-3 songs, and that's how that goes. It's part of how this whole thing plays, right?
Yeah, man. Is this one of those things where we can do that song over again because I kind of fucked it up for a second take, or should we just move on to another song?
Your world, but maybe you had a foul ball out the gate. And then you win again, and you thought you messed it up
in the middle somewhere.
Yeah, and I thought it sounded great, but maybe it's water, and you come back to it if you need.
Yeah, cool. Then let's move on. Then play something else.
Yeah, just feel it. Have you looked behind you recently?
Thanks for reminding me.
Check this out, dude. Michael, your hands are freezing. What can you do at this time?
I'm gonna since I can't feel the pick.
Okay.
I'm just going to use my fingers.
Great. We're strumming.
And I'm going to do this tune. Every folk singer that was writing music in the year 2020 probably has a COVID song.
Oh, yes.
And so a lot of the audience has told me, hey, is that your COVID song? After they hear this one, To Be Is to Hide.
Got it.
And I actually wrote it about 4 months before the pandemic hit, so this is not my COVID song.
Okay.
This is called To Be Is to Hide, is to be is to hide, is to be is to hide. Pack up what you think is important. Burn the rest in effigy. Let the live feed roll and the selfies scroll while you hide, wanting to be, but needing to hide and wanting to be. Tumble down with a madman. Blue honey in your tea. Sweet on the tongue, but bitter for the ones who hide, wanting to be, but needing to hide, and wanting to be. High hawks circle in the mountain, dive down and pick out their prey. You're the flavor of the day, it's an honor they say, sacrifice, wanting to be, for needing to hide and wanting to be. It won't make sense if you don't let it. Let it be, don't hide from the ride. Hold your lover and close your eyes. And hide, wanting to be, needing to hide. Wanting to be, needing to hide, but wanting to be, and needing to hide, and wanting to be.
I got every song, man. That's like, this is going to be the takeaway that I have from working with you is, man, I want every song to ring out to its last decibel. I love that.
This is one of those turnoffs that I've always wanted to pull over and take a picture at, but I never do.
Well, you're getting one now.
I never do because I'm just hauling ass trying to go home or trying to make sound check on time in another town. And
look at this place.
Thanks, Goldie, for the opportunity to stand here in the wind and sing these songs.
You're welcome.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, I put a little emphasis on that. Okay, well, we'll go with as much hand juice as you got left. So where are we headed?
We're headed to a song that I wrote. You know what? We're going to do some really, really cold weather songs
Great.
now. This is a tune I wrote for some musher friends of mine up in Alaska, and it's called Caribou Eyes.
Let's ride.
Float through the snow with a dance and a smile, like you did when you were young, even no mountain unclimbed. What you looking at, caribou eyes? From gold to blue, look at you, cool as night, and here I am, snow blind. What you looking at, caribou eyes? Icy trail glowing in the moonlight, whiskey and coffee in my dreams. The dogs are restless, but my mind's at ease. The lights are spinning, dull green. Yeah. Gotta land somewhere before you take off again. I'm feeling fast if you need a friend tonight. What you looking at, caribou eyes? What you looking at, caribou eyes?